Hello guys, good afternoon. Okay, I'll be updating to you the trades that I took using the strategy. So first one, Australia dollar Swiss franc, currently running not much, 10 pips and above. I think about 13, maybe 12 to 13 pips. So that's the first one. The second one is Euro Australian dollar. Okay, this one is, there's two reasons why I took the trade. Number one, the blue line has crossed the red line, so meaning to say EMA 13 has crossed the EMA 70. Okay, number two, why I took the trade, let me widen it, let me keep bigger. Number two reason why I took the trade, as you can see here. Okay, there's a support here, SND area here, which has not been broken until here. So I took the trade over here once it went down. Okay, so now it's going to carry on going down. So the next SND that I'll be targeting will be here. Okay, why I say so? Because there's a rally, base, rally, and then rally, base, rally, and rally, base, rally. Okay, so that's why, that's a strong reason for me to sell on this Euro Australian dollar pair. So but we must remember, there's this gap which has, when you open your chart, there's this gap that has been filled up. So I think when this reaches the minimum TP, I will close the deal. Okay, I will close the trade, because I'm scared that it will retrace back to cover up the hole there. So that's why I took this. So I'm aiming for this 163643, this green purple line, for me, see whether it will bounce back, or it will, or it can, it will, whether it will respect the zone, or we will go down all the way. So that's why I'm gonna wait. So maybe gonna hit minimum TP soon. The next trade I took was Great Britain pound Australian dollar. Same thing also. Blue has crossed the red, and there's a strong sell in this. Yes, reached the strong sell. Actually, I took the trade a bit late for all three. So now it's running and running and running down. So all three trades I took only 0.01. So I'll update you guys again once it reached minimum TP1, which is the minimum TP here. Okay guys, take care. Hello guys, I'm back again to update you on the trades that I took just now. The three trades that I took. This is the first one, Australia dollar Swiss franc. It hit my stop loss, but it was a profitable stop loss. I put my stop loss at this 0.59126, but then it went down all the way, so it's only, so took only 20 cents. But when the other four trades I took was, I closed them early, because when I look at the candlestick that is coming down, that's why I closed the other four. So I just kept one. So when I kept wide, it hit my profit stop loss. So then that's it. Then for Great Britain pound Australia dollar, it's still coming down. Earlier I put my stop loss around here, but then but when I look at the 1 hour, it's almost crossing each other, so I just cancelled my stop loss at the profitable stop loss. So I put back my stop loss 50 pips away, so my new stop loss is 189.655. Sorry, 1.89655. So this one I'll just continue the trade. Once it's broken about another 10 pips or 20 pips, I'll just put my new stop loss at a break even, or maybe even further down. And then for Euro Australian dollar, earlier my trade was higher than this, meaning to say it wasn't at this point 1.64100. It was higher than that, but then I closed 4 of them, and then I'm left with one. Again, I put at a profitable stop loss, and it hit that stop loss. But then when I went to H1, it just crossed. So the 13 EMA just crossed the 70 EMA. So I took my chance, I re-entered the trade. Like I said in the morning in my previous video, today majority of the banks are having public holidays, meaning to say they are closed, so the market is a bit slow. But then if you look properly, the Australian dollar, the Japanese yen, and the Canadian, if I'm not wrong, the Canadian dollar, they are still working. So I took advantage of the Asian, even though the Asian market is a bit slow, but then the trade looks great. So I just carry on with the trade, following the SOPs. So that's why I re-entered the Euro Australian dollar pair. So guys, I will update you again. For now, I'm just following the H1. You know, these strategies, they are better when you are at a higher time frame. So that's why I took a chance. I took a trade at the H1 time frame, and I re-entered on the Euro Australian dollar. So then if it drops to at least 20 to 30 pips, then I'll just move my stop loss. Okay guys, so if you guys have anything to comment, anything to feedback about this strategy, which I modified from where I found it, you can just leave me any comments. You can leave me any feedback. I'm open to anything. Even if you want to criticize me for doing this strategy, or so-called you have to do the market, first follow the market structure, you must know your trading skills whatsoever, I'm okay with it. Because when there's a chance to use a strategy and then followed by your knowledge about trading regarding the SND, support and demand, QM pattern, and all sorts, the candlestick patterns, if you know basics, you know why you have to enter a buy or a sell, and then you use this strategy, perfectly fine. If you think, oh, the 13 EMA has crossed the 70 EMA, but then there's no QM pattern, there's no setup for it to go to sell or buy the trade, then don't do it. Because yes, I may have followed the strategy 70% of it, but then if I saw there's a QM pattern to buy or sell, there's like the SND has been broken and then they're retracing back. Why not? So I guess if you have anything to comment or feedback, just put it up. I've already given my WhatsApp number, I've given my email. Go ahead. If you have anything to clarify, if you're not sure about the strategy, how you should enter it, what are the settings to the strategy, for strategy, if you want to know what's the settings for the strategy, you may look or view the video which I uploaded about, I think, 2 or 3 days ago. But then if you're not sure, it's okay, you can ask me again. Then if you think that if you can modify it more, like my friend Bayu Wilfred, who texted me on WhatsApp saying, hey, you need to change the long EMA to 70. It looks perfectly fine rather than the 50. The 50 takes more of the fake trades. Yeah, I'm okay with it. And then I back tested it at TradingView. Yes, it's true that what he said is true. But then in trading, there's no guarantee wins. There's always loss. So why not we try to minimize the loss? So in 10 trades, if you can make 8 trades a win, 2 trades loss, you still get your profit. Even if you have 6 trades win, 4 trades loss, it's still a win. If you get 50-50, it's a break even. But then we don't enter blindly. We will also learn from the mistake that we did. So you guys, don't enter blindly. Look at the candlestick pattern. Look at the chart. See whether have you seen this pattern before in your trades, in your previous trades. If yes, carry on. Use that trade and try and use it on your new trade so that you won't repeat the same mistake. So guys, anything I will update you for this strategy. Once I have new strategies, actually I'm researching on a new strategy. Just need more time to try and error here and there. So guys, if you have anything to feedback, comment, please do so. I'm open to anything. And if you don't want to comment publicly, you can just contact me personally at my WhatsApp and my email. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'll talk to you again on the next video. So guys, if regarding these 2 trades, I will update again whether it hits minimum TP or I just let it go down all the way down. Okay guys, I will update again maybe on my short video, or this on the next video will be a long one regarding this strategy. Again, I will update. So take care guys, hope you enjoy this strategy. Enjoy your day, enjoy your trade. Do not over trade. Watch your risk management. Be careful with your float. You may have $1 million in your float, but if you don't take care of your money, you don't have any management in your risk management, then that's it, your $1 million US dollar is gone. Okay guys, thank you very much. Talk to you again.